Hi there. Imagine this. You're 18, you have a job, you've got a bank account, and you're saving money responsibly. What's next? Time for a credit card. But which one? There's so many out there. And it's so hard to get accepted. Especially now, during the economic uncertainty of 2020, when credit card companies are putting more restrictions on who they will give credit to. Welcome to Financial Pay Dirt. If this is your first time visiting our channel, make sure to click the subscribe button for the best personal finance and investing advice on YouTube. In this video, we're going to show you the best cards to get started with, like the cards that you can actually get approved for, and we'll tell you what you want to look for in a credit card. After all, a credit card should help you, not hurt you with fees. Many companies charge you a fee every year for the opportunity to use their card, but there is just no reason to pay an annual fee. We're going to show you some cards that you can get with zero annual fee. You've probably heard of people running up massive credit card debt and all the trouble that this has cost them. That doesn't have to be you though. Here's the first key. If you only buy things that you need and only when you already have the money in the bank, you can pay your entire bill on time, every time. And that's important. If you only make the minimum payment, or if you pay late, you'll be charged interest and late fees. That's really expensive. And just one missed payment will hurt your credit score for years. Ouch. Every month, your payment or lack of payment is reported to the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. That information, good or bad, makes up your credit report, and the information in your credit report is used to calculate your credit score. If your credit score is low, lenders won't know if they can trust you to pay them back. But if it's high, they know you're responsible. With a high credit score, you can get a loan, like when you buy a house, and any loan that you get will have a low interest rate. That will save you money. There are actually lots of different versions of credit scores. So when you see your score, you might see different numbers. But each one is a reflection of how you've managed your bills in the past. So you might want to begin early and get a good start. Your best bet for getting approved is with a secured credit card. With a secured card, you pay some money first, then they let you use their card. For example, you might pay $200 first, then they will give you a credit limit of $200. Your credit limit, also known as your credit line, is the amount of money that you're allowed to spend each month. Since you paid up front, if you don't pay your bill later, the credit card company is going to be fined. Because you've secured your loan with the $200, they've already got your money. A secured card doesn't say the word secured on it. It looks and works just like a regular credit card. Take note that when looking for a secured credit card, you want one with no annual fee. You want a card that reports your payment history to all three of the credit bureaus. And you want to know that you can get your security deposit back later. But what about interest rates? Interest rates vary, but honestly, whether a card charges 0% or 25%, it doesn't make any difference to you. You're not going to ever pay interest on a credit card, right? If you always pay your bill on time and in full, there won't be any fees, and you'll never pay any credit card interest, ever. So the interest rate doesn't matter, and your credit limit doesn't matter. Most cards will let you pay more in the beginning and get a higher credit limit. But you're just trying to establish credit, and you can do that with a small credit limit. So here are some good cards for you to consider. Number 1, Capital One Secured Credit Card. This card has no annual fee and reports to the three credit bureaus, but make sure your income is high enough before applying. If you pay rent, your monthly income must be at least the cost of rent, plus $425. Capital One has a nice feature where you can see if you're pre-qualified first before actually applying. Your $200 deposit will be refunded when you close your account, as long as your account is paid in full. You do want to be careful about closing a credit card account. Closing a card can actually hurt your credit score temporarily. So if you're expecting to apply for another credit card or for a loan, it will be better to do that first. Number 2, the Citi Secured MasterCard. This is a simple and straightforward card. This one has no annual fee, reports to the three credit bureaus, and after 18 months, you may be eligible to convert to an unsecured card and get your $200 deposit back. Sweet! Number 3, the Discovered It Secured Credit Card. This card has no annual fee, reports to the 3 credit bureaus, and after 8 months, you'll be considered for a return of your security deposit, and your card may be converted to an unsecured card. Discover also pays you 1 to 2% cashback on your purchases. Be careful though, don't let the cashback offer cause you to spend more. And after you've kept your account open for at least 12 months, Discover is offering to match the amount you've received in cashback throughout the year. So, that doubles your earnings. Finally, number 4. The Bank Americard Secured Credit Card and Bank of America Cash Reward Secured Card. Bank of America offers 2 different options. The first is the Bank Americard Secured Credit Card. There's no annual fee, and they report to all 3 credit bureaus. With this card, you pay a $300 security deposit, and if a cashback option won't cause you to overspend, there's the Bank of America Cash Reward Secured Card. This one has the same basic features, but you'll also earn 1 to 3% cashback on purchases. Although it's not clear how long it will take to get your $300 back, Bank of America will periodically review your account, and you may qualify to have your security deposit refunded. Whichever card you choose, be aware that when a credit card company evaluates whether they will give you your deposit back or not, they will be looking at your entire credit history, including any other credit cards and loans that you may have. Building a credit history doesn't mean you have to be in debt. You can even set up the auto pay feature so you'll never miss a payment. With these strategies in place, you'll never have to worry about fees or interest. And if you never spend more than 10 to 30% of your credit limit, you'll have the best chance for a good credit score, and you'll be on your way to a successful financial future. There you go, guys. You just found out how you can deal with your first credit card. Which among these cards do you think offers the best deal? Let us know below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, let us know by dropping a comment and hitting the like and subscribe button. Also turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on our future videos. See you next time.